Day 2 of our experiment. We want to determine the mass of the dry raisins. 0.6 grams. And we want to determine the mass of the raisin that was placed in distilled water overnight. Want to remove the excess water. And place it on the scale. So the mass is 1 gram. And the last portion of the diffusion experiment. So yesterday we placed one of the eggs in salt water. Before it was placed in salt water, the mass was 61.1 gram. Now we're going to place it on the scale, but I have to remove some of the excess fluid. And determine the mass. After zeroing the plastic, place the egg on it, and the mass in salt water after 24 hours is 73.6. And the same one for distilled water. The original mass was 67.4 grams. Remove excess water. Want to zero the balance. And take the egg that was placed in distilled water. And the new mass is 77.2 grams. So what we have here is the original mass of the egg before it was placed in salt water was 66.1 gram, and after removing it from salt water, the mass went up to 73.6 gram. The original mass for egg number 2 that was placed in distilled water was 67.4 grams, and the mass went up to 77.2 grams.